everybody, welcome back to Strawberry Arts Diva as we are unboxing my set for school because we are going back to school. So today we've got this parcel. Actually, I have to open it. This is a really nice thing since all the kids are going back to school, including me. I've got this cute, nice set. Let's see how it looks. Let's open it up now. Yeah, it says unicorn and elements, and here too. But the set, it looks really beautiful. Let's wait. Is there something else in here? Let's just find out. Let's try to get it out. There's a beautiful unicorn diary. Whoa. That's the fun side. I guess we'll have to open it. We can't see it properly. This is the back side, I think, because it has a tag. Let me just open it and show you the front side. Whoa, this looks beautiful as well. And I think it's got some bookmarks thingy. I'll just see that. But first, let's open this big. Let's just see. There's some tape on the back, so we'll have to open that with scissors, I think. Yeah, because I won't get open with the bare hands. I did manage to open it with my bare hands, but never mind now. We can just open the set. Oh God, whoa. Let's just try to get this out. It's like kind of stuck in there. I don't know. Let me just try. Yeah. Oh, wow. Like, this is a really nice pencil box. It looks really cute. The unicorns, and it says unicorn and elements. Really, really cute. And I love this little unicorn listening to music. So cute. There's even a blue-haired, beautiful the unicorn, and then there's a rainbow, and there's a tiny lot of storage space. So nice. I can put these the pencils and erasers we've got right over here in the case as well, in the set as well, I guess. So let's also just give them my pencils. Very nice and beautiful, matches the print of the pencil box. Really, really nice. I like these pencils. And then we've got this ruler that's also matching. And yeah, it can be really useful for mathematics and arts also. Nice. Then there's this sharpener. I think we can. So I think this one is kind of like what do you call it? The normal sharpener. It doesn't have the thing which all the dirt gets collected, but yeah, it's a normal sharpener, but it's really cute, and it's used really nicely, I guess, and sharpens the pencils so sharp. I just love this eraser. It's so pink, and it has got this cover that all the erasers actually have, but this one has the unicorns on top, and it's really cute. Trying to figure out what this is. I think we'll just have to get it open and see what it is. So I got it open. Oh, they're cute crayons. So there's yellow, there's orange, there's black, yeah. Then there's this red, there's green, there's blue. Whoa, there's so many cute prints. Okay, and now time to see the diary. Unicorn notepad. I open it. Wow, what a beautiful unicorn made on top of it. Oh, and the pages look so nice. I can't believe they look so pretty. I can't believe. And here, oh, they also changed colors. Can you see? pink to blue and blue to pink. It's not blue to pink, but pink to blue, yeah. But nice. And then we've got this unicorn right over here. It's the pink one. So this is all blue side, and see it changes to pink again. Yeah. And then there's this green unicorn side. All the pages are pink and blue. And it closes like this from the side. So it's a really beautiful unicorn notepad. I love all of the stationery. I'll use it for sure.